Hi, welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today we're going to be talking about roller shades. Now, a lot of people have a bad connotation of roller shades. They think about the old ones back in the 50s and 60s that used to roll up and flap around the window. That's not the type of roller shades we offer today. Today there are several different types of roller shades available. The one most common one here is a solar screen roller shade that allows you to see through it and allows you to roll up and down. The next one is a privacy option. This particular one allows light to come through, but you can't see through it, so it maintains privacy. A third option here is a blackout. This particular product allows you to reduce the light that comes into a room. The first thing I want to talk about is your screen shades. Some people call them solar shades. As you can see here, with this particular product, I have a setup here with three different openness factors. The openness factors relate to how big the holes are to the shade. So here you've got a 10% openness factor, a 5% openness factor, and a 3% openness factor. The larger the holes, the better the view. The smaller the holes, the more glare and heat you reduce. Another thing about the different types of solar shades is a darker fabric allows you a better view. However, it tracks a little bit of a heat. A lighter shade here will block more heat, but you lose a little bit of your view. So, there is a best of both worlds now. They've actually come out with a fabric that has a dark, easy view through, and they've done a metallized liner on the back, which blocks out the heat and the glare. So you get the best of having a dark screen shade and a heat reducer. The next thing I'd like to talk about is a privacy shade. Now, privacy shades come in lots of different fabric colors and choices. This is a simple grass cloth looking one, but again, lets light through, keeps your privacy. Here's another version of a privacy shade. Again, allows light through, but you can't see through it. The next product you have is what's called a blackout roller shade. Now, with blackout roller shades, the fabric itself is a blackout. But as you can see, there are significant light gaps on the side when you recess the window covering. This is what we call the halo effect and is apparent on all inside mount roller shades. There are a few things we can do to reduce the light that comes through. When you put a blackout track system in there, you can actually eliminate it, and you can put it all the way around the sides, including the bottom. That's the most effective way. Some other ways of doing it are using drapery panels or side panels to hang down the sides that would do that. Another option of reducing the amount of light that comes through on a blackout shade is to, instead of mounting it inside, is mount it outside and overlap your windowsill. Some of the other options I'd like to talk about is on a roller shade. A typical roller shade is an external style system. You can see the brackets, you can see the clutch, you can see the tube, and you can see the bottom bar. Just rolls up with a simple chain in both directions. It's okay, it's your minimal look, but there are a lot of great options now. As you can see with this particular model here, you've got a fabric covered cassette. So they actually take the fabric that they use the shade in and wrap it around. Now when you roll the system up, it goes up completely inside the headrail of the cassette. Much cleaner look. Very nice look for most residential uses. Below here we have a more commercial style. This is a metal fascia. This you can come in several different colors. It typically matches the area that you're in. It just actually snaps in and out, and your shade goes up underneath there. So both your brackets and your roller tube and everything are concealed behind the fascia. Another option that you can do to conceal the shade in the fascia or the brackets is a wood cornice. We can do custom wood cornices. We can do any type of top treatment. We can do fabric, we can do hardscape, and you can do decorative treatments as well. Other options available on a roller shade are your control systems. Here we've got a nickel-plated chain. You can do nickel-plated, you can do a poly bead, you can color coordinate, you can match them to your windowsill versus your fabric. You can also do a cord-free system as well as motorized systems. With the motorized systems, we're able to motorize shades as small as 14 inches all the way up to 40 feet wide. Some of the other great advantages of motorization is child safety. Larger shades are harder to lift, so you can motorize those as well. Those are just some of the great examples you have with roller shades that are out today. If you'd like more information, please visit us at 3blindmiceusa.com, or you can call us at 1-800-828-2003.